Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Financeable, where we upload videos related to finance, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to cancel a bet on BetMGM. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your web browser, then on the search bar type in betmgm.com. Once you press enter, it will ask you to select your location. Now select your location from this list. And once you do that, it will take you to its homepage. Now, once you're on this page, you'll have to log into your account. And if you don't have an account yet, you can create one by clicking on this register button. And if you already do have an account, click on this login button. Then it will ask you to enter your login credentials. And in case if you don't remember your password, you can click on this link to reset it. Once you have entered your details, click on this login button. Then you'll be logged into your account. Now, once you have logged in, let's say you have placed a bet in certain match and you want to cancel it, but you don't know how to do it. Let me show you a step. So, if you want to cancel a bet, you'll have to contact customer care within 15 minutes. If you have exceeded 15 minutes, then you can't do anything. Now, in order to contact customer care, all you have to do is click on your profile. Then on the right hand side where it says Help Center, click on it. After that, click on the first option, that is FAQ and customer care. Now, click on this contact button and then click on live chat. Once you click on it, they will provide you with a live chat service. One of the members of the BetMGM team will come to reply you. Once you are in contact with them, explain your problem and tell them to cancel your bet. Once you do so, they will help you to cancel it. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.